What's up, YouTube? It's Sunny the Artist. And I'm teaching you how to make a t-shirt or make a t-shirt for your clothing line, or make, you know what I'm saying, just make a t-shirt in general. Well, I'm gonna teach you how I make my t-shirts. So let me start by showing you what I use. I'm in Silhouette, and this is my design that I have created. I made 2 of them because I could put 2 of them on a shirt at one time, so I can save transfer paper. So this is what I'm about to print. And what I'm gonna use to print is transfer paper. This is a step you can skip if you don't care about the white film, but like when you make a design, if you don't cut it off, the white part is gonna be on the back, so that's why I do it. It's just Pro Soft Stretch paper. So, I already got one in there. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, I already cut it in Silhouette. If you don't know what Silhouette is, just Google it. It's a cutting program. This is the Cameo that's gonna cut it. And basically, what it does is just cut your image out. So I'm about to print this off. So what I do, waiting on it to print out. This is the cutting mat that comes with the Silhouette. It came with like a 12 by 12, but I had bought enough 12 by 12 to make it 12 by 24. But you can just buy a 12 by 24 cut mat. They have them, but I just did this because I was trying to. I just wanted one of these now. I didn't want to wait for it in the mail, so that's why I got it. I made it with tape. I just taped it around it. Okay, so I printed it out. So print out your image on your transfer paper. That's step 1. And if you're doing Silhouette, then that's step 2. You gotta cut it. And I'll make a video on that cutting Cameo. But if you're just making this shirt for fun, you can just cut this out and it'll be ready to put on the shirt. But I'm doing a little deeper, so I'm gonna cut out every, like, all the words. So what I'm gonna do is put this on a cutting mat. And I'm gonna line it up on there. Okay. So I line it up on the corner edge, and then I'm going to place it into my Silhouette, which I'm going to show once I do it. Place it in. I'm going to go in more depth when I do the video, but I'm just lining up with the blue lines, and then I'm going to press load. So it should be in, should pull on it, shouldn't be able to come out. We good. Okay, so we go to Silhouette, and then we're going to go to the sand. I can't even see if it's in there. Shit. Yeah, it's in there. And all this red is where it's going to cut. It's going to cut around all of that in the red. So now I'm going to press send the Silhouette. And it's reading the registration marks. That's what it's doing right now. guess we can sit here and watch it cut. And then it's time for the third process, I think. So it unloaded. It looks just like this. It looks the same. Just peel it off. And now this next part is called weeding. So once you get your transfer, let me find my weeding tool real quick. Okay, so I've got my weeder tool. I had to go get my weeder tool. Come on, Taz. You're doing good. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing, let me put this up here. Let me see if I can. Okay, so this whole thing needs to be weeded. Basically saying that I need to not rip up, but basically just pull up everything that's on here. Look. So if I go into here, and I grab it, you just want to take it and you can pull it too. See that? And that's the film coming off. You see the difference? And you just want to do that with the whole image. So that's what I'm about to be doing right here. You couldn't see me, you probably be able to see now. Like, you just rip it, pull it up. And this is the film, or whatever, the polymer, whatever they call it, that be on the shirt after you press it. If like you press it and you don't cut it, this was going to be on there. I'm actually just going to do this half, just to make it quicker. And I'm going to do a video on weeding too, how to weed, and I'm just showing you a quick video of how I make my shirts, or how you can make it too if you already know about some of this stuff. So you just pull it up, just weed all that shit away. I'm not gonna lie, on the white transfer papers, it take a little bit longer to pull it up, to weed it, than the dark transfer papers. See, all that just coming up. I'm gonna show y'all a little bit more, then I'm gonna pause it and finish it up, so it won't take too long. But let me see, make sure y'all can see. Put it in the light a little bit. Yeah, so this is what I'm doing, is pulling it and then picking it. It's hard with one hand, but you get the gist. I just want to make sure y'all understand what I'm doing. You want to do this to the whole paper. And make sure you get in here, like right here, inside the O's and stuff. And don't go too deep, because you could go inside the paper. But I'm gonna, hopefully y'all could see that and see what I was doing. Like I said, I'm making another video on go into detail if I do everything, every step. I'm gonna make a video on each and every step in depth. Like it's gonna be a weeding video by itself and all that. So I'm about to go ahead, finish this up so we can put it on the shirt. Okay, back, and I'm finally done. This shit took forever. It's off the white, all the white backing is off of it. Took it, I weeded it off. Here's all of the debris. I cut it so it wouldn't take that long. But I did kind of mess up. That's why I forgot about a tip. When I weed, like when I do my video, I'll show you, but I wear gloves and I wear like a face mask, because sometimes like I just went through experiences when I was weeding and like my fingernail would probably cut on the image like this, if you look up, you'll see it right here. The S, you see, has a dent right there. I mean, a white. Yeah. That happened with my nail. I had scraped on it. But that's why you should wear gloves when you weed. Just wear gloves and wear a mask just in case spit, like you talking and some spit get on there, because it won't go away. Like, it'll be dark. Like, if I hit some spit came out, it would have been like dark red. And it don't dry up. It just stays on there. So after this, with the white t-shirts, you're finally ready to press. So let me take you over here. Since we weeded out our design, we have our shirt. I usually press the whole shirt. Like, I just like pressed all the whole shirt so it won't be wrinkly. But since I'm just showing you just how to make the t-shirt, I'm not gonna press the whole thing. But if you want to do it, I mean, I advise you to do it, especially if you're selling t-shirts, because it's like a wrinkle. I mean, it ain't that wrinkle, but if you want it real crispy, I would just press the whole shirt. But what I'm doing now is just laying the shirt over the heat press, as you can see. Or I can go this way. I'll do it this way. Be easier. I'm gonna show you once I get it right. I want it right. Okay. So that's how I got it. I got my heat press all the way, like it comes out, like I said. So, and if you want, you can get like a measuring tape and measure how, like, make sure it's in the middle. So it's like about 2¼ inches. So we slip it over here a little bit. That's how I make sure it's in the middle. I like kind of measure each of the edges. I'll measure like right here. So it's about 2.4. Yep. This is the middle. Okay. So once you have your shirt on there, you want to get a Teflon sheet or a baking whatever sheet. Oh, let me get another one. One of these sheets. And you're gonna lay it over your shirt, as so, and then you're gonna press it. And I just scoop this in. And I will press it for about 10 seconds. And that's just to get all the moisture out of it. And you also can use your lint brush. Use a lint brush to roll it. I got it. And to get all the little hairs and fibers out. So yeah. So I've just pressed the shirt for about 10 seconds. You see it's crispy. It's very white, very iron. And now I'm about to like see how my design, I want my design to be. About right there. So I want to flip my design over, especially if you got the white, if you're using white transfers, you flip it upside down and you turn it up the other way. So I want it like right here. So what I'm gonna do is put the sheet over it again, and then I'm gonna press it. So about right there. Right there. Sheet over it. Pull it in there. You want to make sure everything's on there, so I'm probably bring it up a little bit. I want to make sure everything's on there. There. And then you want to press it at 190 degrees Celsius or 375 to 350 Fahrenheit for 30 seconds. And I got my timer. It's counting down. So you press it for 30 seconds. 2, 1. I give it an extra little 2-3 seconds. Pull it off. Now I peel this while it's hot. That's what it works for me. Hot peel. Hot peel works for me. So you just want to take it. And you want to grab it. And you want to pull it off. It's hard doing this with one hand. Pull up. And there you go. Now, to seal the deal on this, I'm going to place the Teflon sheet or the whatever sheet back over the image and repress again for about 15 seconds. Just to seal it in and get it all in there. So 1, 2, 3. Then you want to pull out. Then you want to stretch it. And now you've made your t-shirt full of joy. And that's how you do it. And then you just throw the back of this away. So everything I use, just a little quick rundown. And what you need to do this is a computer, a printer, inkjet printer, a heat press, and transfer paper. I use Jet Pro soft stretch transfer paper, and 100% cotton t-shirts or in the final product. And then, like, if your design, like, I could have made this a little bit bigger since it's a medium, but it still looks good. It's like, look at that. It's great. And you can, look, you can even see, like, that's why I said make sure you do your transfers right, because you can see that part that I had messed up on with my fingernail. But the quality is great. Like, look at that. It's in there. And you don't see no film around it. That white film that you usually see if you press your shirt without cutting it. The only film you feel is on the actual letters itself or design. So yeah, that's how you make a t-shirt. Oh yeah, the other thing I use, the cameo silhouette to cut. That's another thing I use. But yeah, that's it. I will be making more videos soon, so stay tuned. Thank y'all for watching.